Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Junior channel. My name is Asad and I am starting educational series on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Let's start. What is cryptocurrency? The word crypto means secret and currency means money. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that allows people to make payments directly to each other through an online system. Cryptocurrency is decentralized digital money designed to be used over the internet. The word uh, the word decentralized means it is not owned or controlled by a single person. Cryptocurrency is built on blockchain technology. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain technology is a distributed database that's shared across on multiple computers. They are mainly used in cryptocurrency for maintaining a secure and a decentralized record of transactions. Transactions on Bitcoin cannot be altered, means the cannot be deleted, changed or modified once it is written on blockchain. So if you see this diagram represents the blockchain, and in this blockchain node represents the computer. This node. The transaction are the contract which is written on the all the computers. So basically contract is the information of the data. If a hacker hacks one of these computers and checks the data on the hacked computer, then this hacked computer will be removed from the blockchain and the data will be safe and secure on the blockchain. So the hacker needs to hack every computer on the blockchain to alter the data, which is impossible. Why? Because blockchain contains n number of computers. So if you see, cryptocurrency is decentralized system and it is not owned or controlled by single person or any government. So basically, who runs this decentralized system? It runs by people like you and me, and all together it is called community. Who are community? Communities are the holders of cryptocurrency. They buy and sell, or basically they trade cryptocurrency. Now, which community is the biggest community in the world? The answer is Bitcoin. The Bitcoin community is the biggest community in the world. Now, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first digital cryptocurrency invented by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, and use of Bitcoin as a currency began in 2009. Why Bitcoin came into the market? As there was global financial crisis in 2008, also known as Great Recession. Due to this crisis, people lost their trust on a centralized traditional finance system. To eliminate the centralized system, Bitcoin was invented, and it is decentralized digital currency. Why Bitcoin is valuable? It is decentralized and built on blockchain technology. It is limited. It has only 21 million bitcoins. In that also 19.79 million bitcoins are already mined. It is globally used and acceptable. It is it is digital gold. If you have bitcoin, then you are the owner of your bitcoin. It cannot be demonetized. If you see, currency like dollar, euro, INR are the fiat currency, which is controlled by the government, and it is part of centralized system. This currency is unlimited. The government can print unlimited money. It can be demonetized by the government, and day by day this currency is getting devalued. And on the other hand, Bitcoin is decentralized and it is not controlled by any person, any government. It is limited and it runs by the community. And Bitcoin is built on blockchain technology. Bitcoin's demand and supply. Bitcoin's supply is limited to 21 million Bitcoin. World's population is 8 billion people. What if 21 million people buy and hold one Bitcoin? Then Bitcoin supply will be not available for trading, and it will increase the price of the Bitcoin. Now recently USA approved the Bitcoin ETF. which increased the demand of the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin price increased to 1,08,268 from $16,000 since the year of 2022. Types of cryptocurrency. First is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is good for long-term investment, and second is altcoin. In this we have many coins like Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Doge, Shiba Inu, Tron, Sui, Aptos, and many more. Altcoins, also known as alternative coins, refers to any cryptocurrency that's not Bitcoin. There are thousands of altcoins which are typically created with a specific purpose. Altcoins are not good for long-term investment, but few altcoins prices only increase in the bull run. In the coming videos, we will learn more about cryptocurrency. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video to all of your friends. Thank you.